Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your own YouTube subscription. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now in case you would like to save some money on your YouTube Premium, then all you have to do is scroll down till you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, which is going to send you to Gamsgo. This is a website I've been personally using for the past 3 years, and it's a great method to save money because you're sharing the same account under one subscription with other people, just like one big family. It's very secure, and as you can see, YouTube Premium is right here. So all you have to do is click on the link, sign up or log in, and then from here click on purchase now for YouTube. And as you can see, 6 months, which is already sold out, and it will come back soon, but it's for 32 euros only rather than 83, and for 24 months you're saving over 150 euros. And you can even have a promo code right here, and you're going to write gummy, which is going to gather you an extra 5% off, so you can get the best possible price out there. But if you'd like to get it the traditional way, then all you have to do is search for YouTube Premium on your Google, and then from here click on the first link, which will send you to this page right here, where you can simply click on try 1 month for free, because that's the way that is given for every new account, and you can select from individual, family or student. Now if you have student status, then you can only get it if you prove that you have so if you can select individual, then click on try 1 month, and then it will ask you to enter your payment details, which are going to be either from your credit card or even Google Pay if it's saved. And that's pretty much it. Once you do that, you'll get your own YouTube Premium. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.